And a ton of parts here. Screws, nuts. What else we got in here? We've got, I can't really tell what this is. Oh, is it a screwdriver? I think this might be a screwdriver and tools for you to build stuff. It has a chassis, which is one of those strange looking ones. 3 tires because it is a tri vehicle. This is for batteries I can't use. It's a super large ones. It's not double A. It's you know, really big ones that catch fire. So I probably will use something else to run it. I was hoping for some help from Steve, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So I'm most likely gonna have to do this all on my own. And what else we got? We got yeah, the chassis, 2 motors for the wheels, and
Likey